open Google Chrome, open youtube.com, click on the three dots, move your mouse to Cast, Save and Share, and click on Create Shortcut. You can call this however you like, and click Create. If you want, you can also create a shortcut to a specific channel or playlist. Just make sure to open the link of the channel or the playlist, click on the three dots, Cast, Save and Share, and Create Shortcut. And you can call this however you want, and click Create. Another way to create a shortcut is to install the YouTube app. To do this, click on the three dots, move your mouse to Cast, Save and Share, and click on Install YouTube, and click on Install. This will also create a shortcut in your desktop. You can change a shortcut by selecting it, right-clicking it, and clicking Properties. Go to the end of the text and change the username to the username of the channel you want to access, and click Apply, and click OK. This will change the shortcut to open the new channel. You can also change the name of the shortcut. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.